In this video, we are going to learn about implicit parallelism. But initially, let's understand what parallelism is. So the parallelism is the ability to execute independent tasks of a program in same instance of time. In parallelism, tasks are divided into multiple subtasks and are processed simultaneously or parallelly. The implicit parallelism is a parallelism technique where parallelism is automatically utilized by the compiler or interpreter. The objective of implicit parallelism is to execute the code parallelly in the runtime environment. Examples of implicit parallelism are pipelining, multithreading, vectorization, and out of order. The pipelining is used by the processors to execute multiple instructions simultaneously. In this process, each stage of execution is performed in parallel with other instructions. The multithreading is the process of executing multiple threads in a single process. A thread is the smallest sequence of programmed instructions that can be managed individually. While the vectorization is a technique for optimizing the code in order to execute it on the processor that supports single and multiple data instructions. It allows to perform the same operation on multiple data elements at the same time. Nevertheless, out of order is a technique used by the processors for the execution of instructions that maximizes parallelism. Here, the instructions are executed as soon as the required operands are available instead of the order in which the operands appear in the program. Implicit parallelism programming languages are Axiom, HPF, also known as High Performance Fortran, LabVIEW, ID, also known as Irwin Dataflow, etc. The implicit parallelism uses conventional programming languages such as C, C++, and Fortran for writing the source code. It requires fewer programming efforts by the programmer as compared to explicit parallelism. Initially, the source program is coded sequentially and then translated into parallel object code by a parallelizing compiler. Furthermore, parallelism is detected by the compiler and then assigns the resources to the target machine code. In implicit parallelism, the resource utilization is less efficient as resources allocation is done by the compiler according to its needs. So in conclusion, we saw what is implicit parallelism, what are the types of implicit parallelism, and the programming languages which implement implicit parallelism. Thank you.